maybe, how many shots? I think 4 and 1 drink, but the mixed drink was really good that you couldn't really tell that there was alcohol in it, but also I was drunk, so I don't know. But hello everyone. Moist, why are you so quiet? And by the way, Moist, you're the ass eater if you're still in here. Not me, I don't eat ass, so I don't think have I ever had that? Well, so I'm this might sound horrible, but whatever someone pours something for me, obviously I know the person, I'm just like, okay, I'll drink it. Like, I don't really ask what it is, and I'm just like, okay, shots, let's go. I'm really bad. I shouldn't do that. I definitely shouldn't do that.